Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Mr. Ofori here, and I'm excited to dive into today's topic. Please, if you are new here and you enjoy my content, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and also hit on the notification bell so that anytime I upload anything new, you get to see it, because I'll be uploading crazy things on cryptocurrency, on a lot of ways to make money. I mean, a lot of ways to also get everything. So for now, I'm trying to connect to the student Wi-Fi. So I just want to show you what is happening before we delve straight into the course. So I'm currently on campus. I'm connecting to the student Wi-Fi. Yeah, I'm connecting. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm begging you. You are the only one to help me. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm really begging you, please. I really need your subscription, please. So I'm connecting to the student Wi-Fi. It's not connecting. I'm using Windows 11, as you can see. So there are two ways of doing this, and it's either you click on the search button down here, or you use the Windows R, and then you try the other process. But then you can use the search button where you just type registry editor, and then you access the registry editor page, and then you configure there. But for the purpose of this course, we would be using the search button for that. So let's go straight into it. Okay, guys, please, please just subscribe. I know you are still watching. Please subscribe for me, please. Okay, so I was just trying to okay, let me do this. And please don't forget to comment as well. Yeah, you can comment anything you want to comment. Yes. And the YouTube algorithm works in a way that the more you like, the more others get it for them to also watch. So we are using the search button, and you just type registry editor. And once you access the registry editor page or pane, this is what comes. So you get to see your registered editors, which are we have HKey classes root, we have the HKey current user, we also have HKey local machine and HKey users and HKey current config. But for the purpose of this course, we'll be using HKey local machine. When you click on HKey local machine, you would search for system. So you realize I have opened the system here, and then you look for current control set. So when you click on current control set, you look for services, and then you click on services. The moment you click on services, you would have to scroll down. So we are looking for, please don't also forward any part of this course, because you may not be able to configure it if you forward anything. So we are looking for, let me see, it should be down there, forgotten the name, but okay, so we are looking for Rasman. We are looking for Rasman. Yes, so Rasman is here. Good. So you click on the Rasman, the arrow, you click on it, and then when you click on Rasman, you would click on PPP. When you click on PPP, we have the control IP, and we also have the EAP. So when you click on the EAP, you would now double click on the 13, and then so what happens is, these are some of your type and then your data value in them. So we'll be creating a new one. So you just have to right click on the empty space. You right click on the empty space. When you right click, we are about to create a key, and the key we are creating is a D-word 32-bit value. So you click on that and then you rename this. So you rename it as, please pay attention, this is the most important part. So you rename it as TL. So T small l, capital T small l, capital T small l, S small s, and then capital V ERSION. So TLS version. TLS version, and that's the name of the data we're about to create, the type you're about to create. So you right click on the TLS version. After you're done, you right click on it and then you click on modify. When you click on modify, you would have to enter a value data. So this value data is the most important part, please don't forget. So you are going to type FC0 here and you click on OK, FC0, and you click on OK. When you click on when you type FC0, you click on OK. Then you can now close every folder you open here. So ensure you close it because some friends can access it. The moment they access it, it will be open for them already, and they can actually tamper with your data, or they can edit some of these things and it would affect your machine. So please don't forget to close them. They are very necessary. So when you are done with that, the next thing you'll be doing is you restart your machine. So you restart your machine after you are done restarting. So for the purposes of this course, I'll just record with my phone camera so that you have every thing you would need. So I'll be recording with my phone camera. So guys, let's meet there right now.